friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, in today's video I'm going to share again something which is very important, because in last two videos I showed you how to start off the journey of financial independence, and I also showed you how to make your first passive income. So today we are going to look into one more aspect of income, before which you need to know the three different kinds of income. Generally the incomes whichever you are getting, or whichever a rich person or a settled person or a person who is financially independent or who is financially free can categorize his income to three particular incomes. So which are these three particular incomes? The first income is the earned income. So that is nothing but the 9 to 6 job whichever you do, or it can be even considered as trading as well, because trading also most people take it as a full-time income, and they start working from 9:15 when the market opens till 3:15 till the market ends. Some people trade even the commodities as well till 11:30 in the night. Okay, so that can be considered as an primary source of income, or also the earned income. So this is the first category of income. Second category of income is the passive income, which I told you, where you don't have to do any of your work, no much spending time. You can do whatever you're busy with or whatever you're engaged with. So you keep getting income from your fixed deposit, or you keep getting income from your rental income, or you keep getting income from your royalties, or any other things, something which are given for hire in office buildings, commercial buildings, all those things. So these are called as passive income, and as in last video I showed you how to start off with your first passive income from your trading account, because all my sources of income and all my teachings are related to only stock market. I'm not diverting myself to other sources of income. There are lots and lots of sources of income available outside as well. Now coming to the most important and the most easiest part, this is called as the portfolio income. This is the third category of income. The income which you get from your stock markets, which comes from your mutual funds, which comes from your you can say equities, ETFs and all those things. So these are called as portfolio incomes. So friends, so today we are going to start earning the third part of income. I agree most of you are doing job, or most of you are doing some business, so already you are all engaged with a 9 to 5 job. So you are guaranteed already having a primary source of income. Then already, if you're not started off with my second video, please do watch the video and start off with the second income also. That is nothing but the passive income from your stock market trading funds, because most of you who are into trading will have fund available in your trading account. Instead of keeping it idle, we are going to earn money out of it. That is how all those things you can check out in this particular video, and I have also provided the link in the description of this video. If at all you want to check over it or you want to watch it once again, you can just have a look. And I recommend everyone to start taking action immediately. Don't keep dragging it, don't keep pushing it for tomorrow or some good day and all those things. Start immediately. There's no better time than now. And today we are all going to start the third sources of income, that is nothing but the portfolio income. Now I'll tell you how to start this. Please don't start with your hard-earned income. Hard-earned income, please continue the same journey what you're following as of now. Later I will guide you how to manage your finances, how to manage your debts, how to make more wealth. All those things I will be teaching you later. But no diverting your earned income towards your portfolio income. Okay, now I will tell you clearly what has to be done. Friends, now in the first video I told you we are going to start off this trading income, and we are going to divide the target, that is the 10% of your salary, we are going to divide it into 4 weeks, because in a month, if at all we need to be profits, we have to target it into 4 weeks, and every week we have to make ourselves we are in profit. I had explained it to you very clearly. So say for example a person who wants to earn 5,000 rupees monthly, he will be dividing his targets into 1,250 each week. So if at all you earn 1,250 on day 1 on the first week, that is on Monday itself, then you are not going to trade again. So this profit which comes 1,250, many people what they think, I have shown in my other videos also, that is in my strategies videos, that when the capital keep increasing, they think about compounding. So say for example you started with 1 lakh, and then the amount required, the money management for trading that particular strategy is 1 lakh, then most of you what they do is they keep waiting for this 1 lakh to become 2 lakh, and when it becomes 2 lakh, they will start increasing the quantity. That is nothing but they will double their quantity. Friends, I agree this is a very good habit, because compounding is the most beautiful wonder in the world, but it is not for the novice, it's not for the beginners. And if at all you have a dream of doing all this compounding, it is not the right time. If at all you started trading and if at all you are not started making consistent income, then this is not for you. Please remove that myth from your mind that from the day one itself I'll start keep saving my profits, and then the profits I'll start compounding. I'll do compounding upon compounding and I'll make lakhs and crores and all those things. Please, it's a myth. Because friends, trading is a mind game. It's an emotional game. If at all, if it was a fixed deposit, if it was a passive income, then you would have had no issues. It will keep compounding, compounding, compounding. But when it comes to trading, it's an emotional game. What happens is that practically, you would also feel this, and I have felt this from my experience of 10 years, I'm telling you. When you start earning money, when you make your 5,000 first month profit, and then second months, by touch wood, it should not happen, but still, if at all there is a drawdown, or if there is a market crash, or if there is some bad phase, you can see your profits going down. So the emotion starts playing a game. The hard-earned money, you were happy last month because you had profits, and in this particular month when you see your old profits also going down, it hurts a lot. You start losing confidence in your game. There are lots of emotions attached to it, friends. This is the reason why I am saying this profit, whatever you are getting every week, start removing it from your trading account. Don't start compounding for at least minimum 1 or 2 years. Let us make our base very, very strong. Don't even think about compounding. Is this lesson very clear? So what you have to do with this fund? I will show you another method of compounding. That is through passive income. That is nothing but the portfolio income. What you have to do is this profit, when it comes, when it keep coming, start removing it, withdrawing it from your account. First of all, when your amount is secure, it came outside, you are very, very happy, right? So each week when you start removing your profit, then each month also you will be removing your profits. This amount, don't keep it idle. You are going to invest it into a mutual fund. And in mutual fund, say I'm not sponsoring or I'm not recommending any mutual funds to you, but I would recommend to invest in a dividend yield mutual fund. Okay. So reason, because we are going to kickstart our third source of income. Friends, your portfolio income also will start coming in. Your income also will start coming from these funds which you're putting into your portfolio income. So what you can do is, each week whenever you would withdraw 1,000 rupees or 1,250, I just take an example of 5,000 rupees monthly target only. If your targets are more higher and your capitals are more higher, then you can start withdrawing more of the profits which come out and then start investing more amount into mutual funds. So you can just go to Google and just type the best mutual fund with highest dividends. Okay, monthly dividends there are yearly dividends and all those things. It's left to you. I would recommend yearly dividends is sufficient. You don't have to go for monthly dividends. Take the fund, whichever is coming, start immediately investing into this portfolio. That is nothing but the mutual fund. Then what happens is, one full year, you are kept on adding money into this mutual fund, and you can see the magic happening from the second year. The income keeps increasing, the dividend keeps increasing. And though it might not replace your salary, I'm not saying it will replace your salary, I'm saying it will start contributing to your sources of income. And this is what was a main key which I told you. To have a financial independence, to increase your financial freedom, you need to have multiple sources of income. We got the first income, which you're already doing, working hard. We started the passive income. We're getting small returns of 6 to 7% every year. Now we're kickstarting the portfolio income also, where you can easily get 7 to 10% returns every year. And by investing in mutual funds with a dividend scheme, you're getting capital gain as well as you're also getting monthly returns or yearly returns or whatever it is. There's nothing but the dividends which are coming. Friends, what else do we need? We're already having multiple sources of income, and this is a very beautiful journey. We are kickstarting the journey with multiple streams of income, and I'm very, very sure that very soon you will all be financially free, financially independent. So I request all my subscribers, all my friends, all my fellow traders who are trading along with me to do this action immediately from starting of this week itself. Today Monday, we are starting off this week, and whatever profits you're getting, withdraw it and start investing into a mutual fund. And if at all you don't know what is mutual fund, it's very, very easy. I'll make a video on all those things, don't worry. But as of now, you can just register to any of the mutual fund broker or provider. It will be available with your banks as well, or with Zerodha. Many other platforms provide this. You can just start investing 1,000 rupees every week, or for this particular example, and based on your source of income, you can start investing. Friends, any other doubts, any support required, you can always WhatsApp on my number. You all know my number. It's very, very easy. It's 8095 876525. Any point of time, any silly doubts related to trading or related to your financial independence or related to anything of that sort, you can always please WhatsApp me. And also friends, Don't forget to use the WhatsApp, forget the Upstock link which I provided in the description of this video. You'll be getting 50% discount on my mentorship programs as well. So thank you and have a nice day.